as you can see, Mr. Pussycat sleeping here. Oh my god. It's a deep sleeping Pussycat. You want a food, Pussycat? Pussycat, you want a food? What are you doing here? You want food, Pussycat? You want something, anything else, Pussycat? Excuse me, Pussycat. Pussycat. What do you want? Have something? Anything else? Or not? Mom is calling you. So today is a lazy day, and Mr. Dogu has also become so much lazy. I don't know what should you do, and as you can see, he's laying like a lazy boy. He's not active too, because in my house there is no mom and sister here, so that's why he's lazy and he's missing them. So we just enjoy with you, bro. Good boy. Good boy. No. 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 Good boy. Which music is this? Which music is this? Good boy. And Melody and Melody. So my favorite let's wear this. You're looking good in this scrap, bro. Looking very smart, boy. This is your headphone. You should wear this headphone on your ear too. That will help us to listen to music like a crazy boy and a funny boy. You're very funniest dog in the world. I know. Clean teeth. You want to brush too? Wait. What? So, oh no, just got it here. Small. That's weird, bro. Wait. No. What? Okay, last year this to Mr. Pussycat. Excuse me, Pussycat. This is your living here, the bird. Where there's Pussycat, it's a pillow. It's your pillow, Pussycat. Live here. Now she's sleeping with the pillow. Kill Pussycat. What's that? You want something? What that? Relation portion. Listen to songs and enjoy sleeping. So let's see what's inside the food is. There is an apple. This is an rice. And oh my god. So guys, I couldn't vlog daily because I have no great camera and no great accessories to vlogging. That's why I did not vlog daily, because the quality performs great work. Sleep. Enjoy sleep. Sleep here. Excuse me, Pussycat. Okay, it's your great place. You will sleep here. Do you enjoy sleep here? Oh. It's a classic style of Mr. Pushy, all Pussycats. Okay, enjoy sleep here. Just enjoy your food too. Wait. Enjoy your some food here. Don't try to eat this food, okay? He's wetting his throat. Then Pussycat stop and he start eating her fruit. Excuse me, sir.
Excuse me. Find something. There's something here. Okay. I got boy sleeping here.
Are you ready to go off? Said Pushka. Excuse me. Here. This is not grass. This is a plant, Pushka. Don't eat. Don't eat that, Pushka. Please. It's not a grass. It's not a grass, Pushka. Please. Don't destroy this plant. That's not a clay. Smelling and recognizing that it's a grass or a plant. Investigating properly. No, she didn't find it. So, finally, I caught a frog here. I think he died. This frog has died. Oh my god. This frog has died. I should get off this gloves here. Oh my god, there's an old mark of. And the little frog is died. Oh my god, it's alive. He's alive. He's alive. I thought it's died. He's alive. Thank God. You are a very good actor, Frog, Mr. Frog. No, 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 no! Hey! No, no. No, no! No! Don't be excited, bro! Don't be so excited. No, no, no. Complaining. Oh my God. Oh my God. No. Everything's not for you, bro. Nope. Don't be hurry.